Good day everyone, I am Jomel Roa del Monedero and now I will going to present the chapter number 4, Making the Assessment Decision, together with my group mates, De La Peña Adeline, me, Nilo Rochelle, Salcedo Erica, and Rose Ann Soroan. So our learning objective of this topic at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to explain the evaluations of evidence based on the dimensions of competency, rules of evidence, and the requirements of the competencies in making assessment decision. So let's define first what is dimensions of competency in evaluations of evidence. In evaluating the evidences, the assessor should examine each of dimensions of competency to ensure all aspects are demonstrated within the evidence. So the assessor make the evidences or the dimensions to ensure that the trainers or the candidates must perform the task correctly. So this involved asking for key questions. First, did the candidate demonstrate the appropriate task skills? Check the evidence to ensure that the candidate carried out the work task according to workplace procedure. So dito naman ini-ensure ng ating assessor kung nagawa ba ng tama ng ating mga candidates or the trainees yung dapat nilang task skills na kanilang gagawin. Second, did the candidate demonstrate the appropriate task management skills? Check the evidence to ensure that the candidate has appropriate skills in selecting equipment, planning, coordinating, organizing, and prioritizing. So dito naman kung nagagawa ba ng ating mga candidates yung appropriate task or namamanage niya ng tama kung ano man yung mga ginagawa within the area of practical skills. So the third one, did the candidate demonstrate the appropriate contingency management skills? Check the evidence to ensure that the candidate knows how to deal with the unplanned events, emergencies, and breakdowns. So dito naman ini-ensure ng ating mga assessor kung nagawa ba ng tama ng ating mga candidates yung task skills na dapat, katulad ng pagkakaroon ng problems with the skills, specific skills, kailangan dapat ma-manage ng ating trainees yung dapat gawin na tama. So the number 4, did the candidate demonstrate the appropriate job rule environment skills? Check the evidence to ensure that the candidate is aware of enterprise policies and procedure functions effectively and workplace and contribute to organization's quality systems. So dito naman ini-ensure ng ating assessor kung yung trainees nga ba ay nasumusunod sa mga environmental skills or the rules ng ating demonstration area or the practicals area. So dapat kapag sinabi ng ating assessor if magsuot ng PPE or the personal protective equipments, so dapat masunod yun ng ating mga trainees para ma-ensure yung safety ng bawat isa. So that's all for my presentation regarding the evaluations of evidence and dimensions of competencies. So the next reporter will be the Miss Salcedo Erica.